Volkswagen of Stockton is one of the Central Valley's premier automotive dealerships. And here's another example of a great vehicle from our huge selection of quality pre-owned cars and trucks, and comes equipped with steering wheel controls, tire pressure monitoring system, MP3 player, satellite radio, Bluetooth smartphone integration, CD player, power windows, anti-lock braking, power door locks, bucket seats, and has less than 15,000 miles on the odometer.
As a member of the Lithia Automotive Group, Volkswagen of Stockton is a proud addition to one of the largest and most respected dealer groups in the country. Every vehicle we sell is inspected by factory-trained technicians and goes through a rigorous reconditioning process. So be sure to ask about our used vehicle warranty. We hope you'll give us the opportunity to experience the Lithia difference. So give us a call or come by and see us. We're located at 3055 West Hammer Lane in Stockton.